Hello world. Today we've got a 2024 Grand Highlander, really nice Toyota here, and it's a real nice car for a real nice family that got hit by somebody on a bike. So there was a large black streak there and a large black streak there from their handle of their bike that was buffed off before I got to it, and this is what we're going to be doing today. Nice big football size dent there, and then this, I guess, let's move the board, and then this very awkward crease. So this is going to be, I would say, a decent challenge for any paintless dent repair technician. For me, I just look at it as fun. This is what I love to do. So let's see if we can get this thing looking good. I'm gonna come back and give you a couple of in-betweeners and then show you a final in just a bit. Okay, we're back 30 minutes later after pulling down this right there and working on that one. I would say I got that to about 50%, because if you look at it, there's a line that still goes through there. Maybe 60%, but I got to get that finish work all done, and then we still have this one untouched. So I might even take a little break, come on back and start on this one, get this one to the 50 or 60% mark, and then do all the finish work at once. I kind of just want to get this one looking good though, so I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm just going to keep you guys posted. And this is what we're looking at right now. No board, nothing. All of my work is coming through this inner thing with, I'm using a lot of dollies lately, guys. The dolly tips are the way. And of course, there is no better tool on the market than a tool called Stand Liner. And this is one of my Stand Liner Fender tools. And then of course, you always got to have a little bit of a sharper pick. But basically, I've been dollying this one the whole time with the bigger tipped tools. So I'll come back and give you an update in just a bit. Okay guys, we're back. I decided to go for this area right here just to get it, let me move this board a little bit, just to get it roughed out to that point of the same point of the other one. So if I go really slowly through this, I'll show you. All mostly dollied, you know what I mean? So it hasn't, I'm using the Dent Reaper dolly tips on my Dent Craft tool, and little line I made there, and then the rest of it is just kind of roughing out that area. Let me grab this board off here. I've got my Get a Grip Now, thanks to Matt Armijo at getagripnow.com. Not a sponsor. And then that's what we've got left on that one. Same thing. I didn't show you with the board last time, but I have a lot of work to do on that one. And then when we come up here, yeah, I roughed out the tough part. It still has a lot of work, but I think I'm only about an hour and 15 minutes into this entire repair, and now the work starts. So this is the way that paintless dent repair is, guys. I can do that in an hour, but that doesn't look good. And if you think that looks good, you're wrong. You'd see it and you'd go, oh, I see the waves. I see that it's not complete. To get it to the way we want it is going to take hours. So now I'm going to get my coffee and get on the grind and just start pushing and tapping and pushing and tapping, lows and highs, this whole entire fender. And I think I'm going to be done in about 3 hours if I just worked on it solid. So hope you guys like what you see so far. I'm coming back to you in just a bit and showing you the final result. Hello world, we are back. Let's see what we ended up with. I think I'm 3.5 hours to 4 hours in it total. And I was on it pretty much solid, other than a couple of 5-minute breaks. But yeah, other than the 10 minutes worth of break, I was on this for a solid 4 hours. I think it came out really nice. We got that body line back out. If I look down the side here, there's there might be a slight wave right up top here, and then there's another little wave through the edge down here. I look at it like if I spend another 10 or 15 hours, I could get this thing darn near perfect. But for what I'm charging and what I said I would do and what we got as a result, I think the customer's going to be very happy. Guys, hit the like if you like what you see. I sure appreciate you coming by for this video. Gonna try to make some more here this year. I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.